These days, having a strong online presence is essential for any business. And when it comes to building a professional website that stands out, Squarespace is the go-to platform for entrepreneurs and companies alike. But what if you're not tech savvy and simply don't have the time to design and maintain your website? That's where hiring a Squarespace web developer comes in. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gary and today we will be discussing a topic essential for everyone looking to establish a strong online presence, which is hiring a Squarespace web developer. So why should you consider hiring a web developer? From personalized design expertise to saving time and ensuring a professional result, there are countless benefits to enlisting the help of a skilled Squarespace web developer. Whether you are a small business owner, an artist, or an aspiring entrepreneur, having a standout website is non-negotiable in today's digital landscape. And with the expertise of a Squarespace web developer, you can achieve that and much more. So, if you're ready to take your online presence to new heights and stand out from the competition, hiring a Squarespace web developer would be the game changer you've been looking for. Now, let's explore the incredible possibilities of working with a Squarespace web developer. When you hire a Squarespace web developer, you are tapping into the world of creativity and innovation. The possibilities are endless, from stunning design options to seamless integration with third-party tools. Imagine having a website that looks visually stunning and functions flawlessly, guiding your visitors through a seamless browsing experience. With a Squarespace web developer at your side, that dream can actually become a reality. Whether you are launching a new business, refreshing your brand, or expanding your online reach, working with Squarespace web developer opens up a world of possibilities. From custom design solutions to advanced functionality, they have the skills and expertise to bring your vision to life. Working with a Squarespace web developer offers expert guidance and personalized attention throughout the website development process. Secondly, hiring a Squarespace web developer saves you valuable time and energy. Thirdly, a Squarespace web developer brings expertise in utilizing Squarespace's powerful features and tools. They know how to leverage these tools to optimize your website for performance, functionality, and user experience. If I summarize, hiring a Squarespace web developer offers expert guidance, saves you time and energy, and ensures your website is fully optimized to meet your business goals. Now, let's discuss how Softtrix can help you harness Squarespace's full potential. Softtrix is a leading web development agency with a team of experienced Squarespace developers specializing in creating bespoke websites tailored to your needs. Whether you are a small business, a creative professional, or a large enterprise, Softtrix offers flexible hiring options to meet your requirements. You can hire a dedicated Squarespace web developer on a project basis or opt for ongoing support and maintenance services. If you have a project to discuss, simply contact Softtrix with your project requirements and our team will work closely with you to match you with the Squarespace developer for your needs. So, if you're ready to elevate your online presence and unlock Squarespace's full potential, consider partnering with Softtrix. With our expertise and dedication, you can take your website to new heights. You can reach out to us through our website or WhatsApp with the number provided on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out Softtrix for all your Squarespace web development needs. And please don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on building a successful online presence. Thank you.